This video will show you how to install the adjustable shelf pegs. To start, insert the 4 shelf pegs on the side panels of the cabinet. Then pick up the shelf and snap it diagonally on the shelf pegs of one side. Once done, slide the other side of the shelf down slowly until you find resistance. To finish, place your hand on top of the shelf of the unfit side and push it down until you hear a click and you're done. If you want to remove the shelf, place one hand under the shelf in one of the sides and push it upwards. At the same time, use the thumb of the other hand to firmly push the lock until the shelf is lifted. Repeat the process on the other lock of the same side, and once the whole side is free, lift it to easily remove the other side. If you face any problems or still have doubts, contact us at sales@foxwardrobes.co.uk and we'll provide any help you need.